Hello everyone. I'll be reviewing Khan Academy, which is an education tool. It is also available as an Android app and a website. So Khan Academy was started in the year 2004 by Mr. Salman Khan. It is a not-for-profit organization which is mainly run by funds. Its main funders are the Bill Gates Foundation and Google. So how Khan Academy works is that it is a database of around 6,500 learning videos which allows its learners to learn at their own pace and master the skills which they want to. It offers videos in various subjects such as maths, history, economics, and art. And the best part is that it is free. So let's now have a look at the main page. So this is the main landing page of the Academy where you can have a look at the videos you're currently viewing and also the content which is featured, and then you have your general profile page which showcases your achievements and also shows the badges that you have earned, and it also shows the recent activity and the discussions that you have engaged in. So another newly added feature is the badges, which promotes the gamification of learning. In our previous topics, we had learnt about using gaming in education. So the process of gamification of learning is similar to that, with the difference being that it uses elements of a game to promote learning rather than teaching using the game itself. So let's have a look at few of the badges that I have won. So this badge, for instance, is the Cypress badge, which I win after being a member of Khan Academy for 1 year. And then there is the Challenge Accepted badge, which I win after uh, completing a certain course. So badges like these make learning fun and give students an incentive to watch the course and complete the videos. And you can also view the progress in all your respective subjects and also pinpoint the areas where you need to improve on. And then there is the discussion forum. And another interesting feature about this website is the project feature, which enables you to use learning games and also create them. So this is similar to the coding platform Scratch, which we had learned about in our previous sessions. And Khan Academy offers a similar tool where people who are interested can learn computer programming through the website itself and create games. So let's now have a look at the main feature of the Khan Academy, which are its videos. So this is a maths video which talks about the linear equations in algebra.
Times x. Now, to understand how you have to or how you can manipulate this equation to solve it, let's visualize this. So 7 times x, what is that? That's the same thing. So I'm just going to rewrite this equation, but I'm going to rewrite it in visual form. So 7 times x. So that literally means x added to itself 7 times. That's the definition of multiplication. So it's literally x plus x plus x plus x plus x. Let's see, that's 5x's plus x plus x. So that right there is literally 7x's. This is 7x right there. Let me rewrite it down. That original something. 7's cancel out, and 14 divided by 7 is 2. So your solution is going to be x is equal to 2.
So Khan Academy uses the approach of chalk and blackboard to teach its students, which I feel gives it a nostalgic touch and makes learning appear less intimidating. So let's have a look at another subject. So this talks about the introduction to evolution and natural selection.
There's a bunch of good fruit at the top of the tree. Maybe they're apples. And then maybe, you have some type of cow-like creature, or maybe it's some type of horse-like creature that says, gee, I would like to get to those apples. And that, just because they want to get there, maybe the next generation, they keep trying to raise their neck. And then, after generation, their necks get longer and longer. And eventually they turn into giraffes. That is not what evolution is. And that's not what it implies. Although sometimes that the everyday notion of the word seems to make us think that way. What evolution is, and actually this is the word that I prefer to use, it's natural selection. Natural selection. Let me write.
So what I have noticed after using this website is that if the student sincerely uses it, he can make use of the community and the testing system to achieve measured growth. So using this website casually might increase your knowledge, but if you want to see systematic growth in you, it is suggested that you extract everything that this website has, like the tests it has and the community where you can interact with subject experts. So now let's have a look at few of the criticisms that Khan Academy has received. The first one being that uh, Mr. Khan does not have a background in pedagogy. So the criticism states that he needs to include teachers with teaching experience into the organization because his videos lack a pedagogical content knowledge, which is abbreviated for PCK. So PCK is about knowing what concepts will be perceived as difficult or easy from a student's perspective and what examples he will find easy to relate to and understand. So it was found that the videos used in Khan Academy used random examples which made the student confused. And in response to this criticism, Khan Academy corrected the errors and hired a team of content specialists to ensure that such errors are not repeated. And another criticism faced by Khan Academy was that its chalk and board approach were not as effective as other learning tools, say, as cartoons. So, in response to this, he introduced the concept of gamification of learning, which was previously talked about in the video. So, in conclusion, I think Khan Academy is a really good resource for somebody who wishes to make good use of their time and use it as a revision tool. So, there were claims that Khan Academy said that it is going to replace the conventional education system. But when he was interviewed, he said that it is not their intention. Their main intention is just to act as a learning tool which will help students and teachers. So, as their tagline goes, so they want to give free and quality education for everyone and anywhere. Thank you.